Hi guys, good evening. I hope all of y'all are doing well. So I just shot a video regarding Zinka Logistics, and I was reading another con call, okay, and I came across this snippet in that con call, and then it made me realize that whatever that person was going through, that bias, I'm pretty sure that most of us, or you might be going through, okay. So we'll be talking about this bias, okay. So what happened was this con call made, okay, one guy was there and he was grilling the management, okay, like anything, okay, like by तुमने ये बोला वो बोला पर फिर तुमने कुछ नहीं किया, you promised so and you under promised, that and this and all of that thing. It was grilling in a way good. Yes, I believe, when in a way it is a good initiative by him. At the end of the day ki like when a management makes a promise and they're not able to deliver it, keeping them accountable is good part on the on the investor side, which I do agree, okay. But here is the thing, right? This guy is like so emotionally attached over here. I'll give you the entire scenario, okay. The management had promised certain x amount of revenue and बोला था कि like हम लोग ये acquisition करेंगे वो acquisition करेंगे by the end of December, but none of it went through, ठीक है. उनका they were not able to complete the acquisition over here. Neither वो जो number दिया था in terms of revenue guidance, they were not able to do that also. Classic case of आपने over promise किया, under deliver किया, ठीक है. Now see, here is the thing, right? Every management can come and promise you XYZ thing. They can paint you the most rosy picture also you can ever imagine. But every management can give you promises, but only a few management, very few management can actually execute it. Okay, it is very few, and it is our duty as an investor to track these businesses and make sure that whatever the management is saying it is executing, and you deploy that money based on that, ठीक है. मैनेजमेंट ने किया, फिर मैनेजमेंट ने कुछ XXX बोला and they're not able to execute it, फिर उसके बाद भी if you keep that money in that stock, it is your problem, not the management's problem, ठीक है. Because you saw that person didn't execute it, but you still kept your money, ठीक है. So same thing happened over here. The management failed to execute, और ये बंदा आके कॉन कॉल में बोल रहा है कि like मैंने आपका स्टॉक को I am an investor for 10 years. I've been holding the stock for 1.5 years, and your stock hasn't given me any return. No stock is entitled to give you return, number one, ठीक है. And no stock is entitled to perform either. It is your duty as an investor to track and change your decisions accordingly when the narratives changes, when the situation changes. No company will continue to remain good, no company will continue to remain bad. Any company can turn good से bad and bad से good in an instant. किसी का कुछ war रहता है कहीं पे and you're not even involved in a war, and वहाँ पे आपका supply chain रुक जाते हैं, आपका यहाँ पे revenue clock नहीं होता है. Classic is शायद, see, most of the times ना, I'll tell you one thing, management, I'm not going to generalize it, but when a management comes and gives you guidance, they must have seen some clarity, they must have seen anything, right? But क्या होता है ना, business एक ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है. It's not like a straight line. Business में कई सारे उतार चढ़ाव होता है, ठीक है. As a businessman, वो उतार चढ़ाव you have to take it, ठीक है. मेरा भी business है, and जो भी उतार चढ़ाव होता है, at the end of the day I will have to take it. But as an investor, you and I don't have to take it. What is the power of an investor? An investor is an opportunistic mindset ना, एक opportunistic होता है. So you can like remove your money anytime and go to somewhere else. You are not a business owner, understand it, okay. You have to think like a business owner but act like an investor. What does that mean? एक जो धंधा करता है उसके तरह सोचो, but at the end of the day जब वो धंधा का situation change होता है, it could be the management's fault. शायद उन्होंने guidance दिया, like I told you ना, supply chain में कुछ issue होता है. It is not the management's fault ना. Did management think like Israel Hamas को कुछ war होता है, उसके वजह से उसका कुछ problem आता है? नहीं, nobody expected it. Sometimes it also could be like management ने कुछ XYZ बोला मैं इतना revenue करूंगा, पर वो fraud निकला, वो किया ही नहीं. So there are going to be many times where it is with or without the management's fault ना, आपका execution नहीं होता है, ठीक है. But as an investor, that is not your concern. क्यों नहीं हुआ वो मुझे नहीं, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. नहीं हुआ, पैसा निकाल के कहीं और पे डाल दो. That is your duty, that is my duty, that is our duty as an investor. You can't be like अरे मैंने 1 साल से पकड़ के रखा हुआ स्टॉक, 2 साल से पकड़ के रखा हुआ स्टॉक, and you are entitled to give me return. You are entitled. Nobody is entitled to anything over here. Let me tell you, none of us are entitled to anything, ठीक है. So and you see, right, यहाँ पे he believed the management when they told कि like they will do certain XYZ, certain amount of revenue. But when they didn't do that, do you see over here, he was stuck with that stock, and since he didn't change his investment decision according to the reality. Because see, जो बोला था वो पास्ट में था। अभी रियलिटी में देखो क्या है, लास्ट क्वार्टर बोला था मैंने, मैं लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 50% का रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ करूंगा, इस क्वार्टर में 20% का भी रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ नहीं हुआ। सो पास्ट में जो बोला, रियलिटी, व्हाट इज द रियलिटी टुडे? यू हैव टू टेक डिसीजंस बेस्ड ऑन टुडे, बेस्ड ऑन द रियलिटी दैट यू हैव टुडे। दिस पर्सन व्हाट ही डिड, he believed the past. जब ये situation अभी change हुआ, he is not ready to accept the fact, he is not ready to accept the reality over here. As a result, what, since he didn't change his investment decisions on a quick, like he wasn't quick, he continued to suffer. वो stock गिरता ही रहा, and after that, he's not able to sell that stock, right? It is the worst thing you can do. And now he's coming and grilling the management. Is it management's fault? No, actually not management's fault, because as a businessman I can understand over him over here. He thought he's going to get a government order, उसको वो government order नहीं मिला, इसलिए वो बोल रहा है मेरा revenues नहीं होगा। But ठीक है, उसने बोला नहीं किया, but at the end of the day, even I would say investor is also equally at fault over here. You had an option to exit over here and you didn't exit. Now you can't go and grill the management in the con call and be like, तुम्हारा stock price गिर रहा है तुम्हारे वजह से, like what were you doing when he told in the previous con call or the con call, let's even if they don't do the con call, what were you doing when they kept telling ki, like, forget even if they don't tell, when you saw that in the reality that the execution was not matching what the guidance was given, right? What were you doing then? ठीक है, और अभी क्या होता है ना, when you don't sell this, when you don't make peace with the reality and you're stuck in the past and you don't sell, when you don't sell that stock, क्या होता है ना, आपका आपका एक और एक बायस आता है यहाँ पे, how do I put this, you equate it to कि, like, the number of years or the amount of time you've held the stock. Now since you don't sell it quickly, ये क्या होता है ना, आप ये स्टॉक को पकड़ के रखते हो 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल, right? And after that क्या होता है, you try to equate, you think you are entitled to make money because you've been holding it for, like, X duration, right? Like 3 साल 10 साल आप होल्ड करके रखे हो, so you have to, now you feel like, अरे इतना साल तो किया है, let me, you are entitled to make money, or and you feel कि, like, ठीक है, even if it's not entitled to make money because you've been holding for X amount of years or whatsoever, but you feel कि, like, ठीक है, इतना साल तो मैंने होल्ड करके ही रखा है, ठीक है, एंड वहां पे बिजनेस का पूरा रियलिटी बदल चुका है, ठीक है, इट्स बिकमिंग वर्स एंड वर्स, बट यू आर अनेबल टू सेल इट, क्योंकि इतना साल पकड़ के रखा है, एक और साल पकड़ के रखते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होगा, दिस मेंटालिटी कीप्स इन। आई डू नॉट नो what is that psychological factor that you tell. I think sunk cost yeah, I think it's called sunk cost policy, right? Like, because we think we have invested so and so time of our or our energy in a certain task, then we are not able to, when things go wrong, we're not able to pull out, we feel like, we wasted our time. Like for example, जब आप movies में जाते हो, ठीक है, movies का time कितना है, 3 घंटा, but you understand before the interval only, ये movie बकवास है, absolute बकवास, but you will not get up in that interval and come and not, waste your other 1.5 hour, क्योंकि क्या, क्योंकि आपने ऑलरेडी पैसा दिया है, ऑलरेडी 90 minutes तो आपने मूवी तो देखा है, चलो देख ही लेते, even though probably the next 90 minutes is going to be absolute shit, but you will not get up and come, why? Because you've invested so and so time, so might as well, let's waste another 1.5 hour. The same sunk cost policy over here gets reflected even in this man's behavior, and also could be in some of you all also, because you wasted probably the last 1.5 year, and you think like, already इतना time किया है, let me, again suffer for some other time, क्या ही होगा. और the other thing, even in terms of money, already मेरा 50% का घाटा हुआ है यहाँ पे, I've taken a loss, right? Let me try to recover the that 50% का loss. But what we don't think is invert, always invert your thinking. 50% का loss हुआ है, 50% का capital अभी भी बाकी है ना, remove that capital and try to double it over here. We don't think it like that, we think it only in terms of loss. And I remember reading this book, I think it's Nassim Nicholas Taleb, I don't remember which book it was, I think it was Black Swan or something, I'm not sure, where he tells ki, like, the pain that you feel, again, because I read this book very very long time, I don't remember uska Anti-Fragile tha ya Black Swan tha, I don't remember which book it is, but I could be misquoting it over here, but the bottom line is, aapko jo joy hota hai when you win something, right, the loss that you feel is 2x more compared to the joy that you have. Let's say if you're gaining 100 rupees, the joy that you feel is not as equal, the joy that you feel by gaining 100 rupees is lesser compared to, let's say, the loss. Let's say if you're losing 100 rupees, the loss is, the mourning is more compared to the joy that you feel. That is something, because we are always, our brain is evolved in a way, to always to be in that flight freeze, that kind of mode. So what happens over here, since he's lost already probably 50% of the capital. Like, you probably, most of y'all are stuck over here, especially in the bear market that we have today. We see that, most of them would have lost like, 40% of the capital, right? From all time high. And they know probably, the stock में या this business में कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, the demand अच्छा नहीं है, management is also not bullish and everything, but they still wouldn't sell it. You know why? Because of that sunk cost policy. You've spent so much time over here. Abhi, why do you want to, like, that जो time आपने यहाँ पे spend किया, that will go for a waste. But भाई आगे का जिंदगी है, इतना सारा शेयर है मार्केट में, कोई और पे कर लो, right? Why do you want to waste it in that same stock only? और भी कितना जिंदगी है. At the same time, you might have lost something from, 50%, 60% from the top. You might have lost on the capital, and at least take that 40% out and put somewhere else. At least वो 40% है, before thinking about, let it come to my buy price, because market will not know कि like प्रेरणा ने X price में खरीदा, कोई और ने, राजर्षि ने Y price में खरीदा. Nobody will, market doesn't care about it, right? But we think कि like, वो मेरा buy price में आएगा फिर I will sell it. No, that will never happen. But at least save that 40% of the capital. So that is what I wanted to convey, because मेरे को एक like flashbulb के जैसा हुआ while I was reading that con call, because I was reading that con call, and this guy is like yelling at the management, and I understand his frustration also. I completely get it, right? Because when you are investing in a company, you always go with a hope कि like, ये आगे जाके, अच्छा करेगा, multi bagger बनेगा. And when that hope is shattered, I understand it is very painful. It is very painful. I personally have gone through it, but दैट इज लाइफ, दैट इज द मार्केट. अब शायद 10 बेट डालोगे, उसमें शायद सिर्फ 5 ही अच्छा चलेगा और 5 नहीं चलेगा, और उस 5 को आपको बिल्ड करते ही जाने, और दूसरा 5 जो अच्छा नहीं चला उसे पैसे निकाल के इस 5 पे जो अच्छा किया वहां पे डालना पड़ेगा. दैट इज अ गेम. सो आपका लॉसेस विल गेट मिनिमाइज्ड the more you take out from this जो 5 अच्छा नहीं किया ना, the entire game, you're going to win the entire game. See, losses, I'll tell you one thing, investing में don't think like यहाँ पे हमारा घाटा नहीं होगा. It will happen because you do not know कौन execute करेगा कौन नहीं करेगा. But you can minimize your losses. How do you minimize the losses? When you see that the reality is not matching, when you see that the execution is not matching, when you see that the promises are not kept, when you see that promises, when you see that the under deliver कर, over promise करके under deliver कर रहे, that is the time you have to take that money out and keep putting it on those stocks in those businesses जो execute कर रहा है. This is how you keep minimizing your losses and maximizing your profit. That is all you can do. There is no concept of like यहाँ पे no loss होगा. If somebody is telling you, they're lying. But we all can minimize the losses, and for you to minimize the losses, you have to be in touch with reality, right? And if you're going to take the management with the words, if you're taking the management's word in face value, जब वो बोल रहा है मैं ये चीज करूंगा वो चीज करूंगा, ये गाइडेंस होगा मेरा, ये रेवेन्यू होगा, और जब वो फेस वैल्यू में आप ले रहे हो, इट इज अ गुड थिंग, यू आर ट्रस्टिंग समबडी एंड यू डूइंग इट. बट व्हेन यू सी दैट फेस वैल्यू में जो आपने लिया, इट इज नॉट गेटिंग एग्जीक्यूटेड, इट इज अ वेकअप कॉल फॉर यू, टू चेंज योर इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजंस अकॉर्डिंगली. यहाँ पे गलती हर चीज से, एवरीबडी आई सी द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक दे डू इज दे गेट इमोशनली अटैच टू दैट स्टॉक, दे गेट इमोशनली अटैच टू द बिजनेस, क्योंकि दे गेट लाइक अरे इसने ये बोला पर किया नहीं, and then they like just sit simply and they don't sell that stock. That is the biggest mistake. Okay, it's like my mom, my mom is like अरे पर इसने ये बोला था पर किया नहीं, and then they still continue to trust that person, like, and I'm just like, I understand that that auntie told she'll do something for you and she didn't do. Now she didn't do it. Now live with that reality that she didn't do it and change your behavior towards that auntie. Similarly over here also, any management, remember this, every management, any management, जो कुछ भी होगा, they will come, they will shower you with promises, they will paint a rosy picture. There is no way to know if it is right or wrong. उसको आपको मालूम पड़ेगा next quarter में. Anybody can come and tell you anything. Now detailed plan भी दे सकते हैं, ROE इतना होगा, distribution इतना होगा, volume growth इतना होगा, value growth इतना होगा. And there will be times, whether it is with or without management's fault, that execution will fail. Okay, probably he only didn't execute it, he got lazy, और शायद यहाँ पे कुछ फ्लड आ गया, कुछ नेचुरल कलामिटी आ गया, किसी वॉर कर रहे हैं, उसके वजह से उसको गाइडेंस, whatever guidance he gave is not able to achieve it. But either of it is not your problem, and you will have to change. Learn to be flexible. There is this thing ना कि like एक proverb है जो बोलता है कि like you have to be like water, because water it takes shape of any vessel or any container you put it in. Similarly आपको पानी के तरह रहना है, ठीक है? You have to be flexible like water. जब आप फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट से आप जाओगे ना इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए, एंड यू थिंक लाइक अरे ये बोला ये करेगा दिखाएगा, then when the reality changes na, it becomes very hard for you to change that decision. That is the biggest thing. It becomes very hard to accept it, you know, कि like so be like water, be flexible, you know, be as much flexible as you can, ठीक है, and live with the reality. Nobody यहाँ पे हमारा कोई का किसी का you know चाचा चाचा मामी तो नहीं है, right? So why इतना emotional attachment क्यों करना है? As long as the management is executing, put your money over there. The day the management doesn't execute, with or without their fault, it is none of your concern. Make peace with the reality that things have not gone your way, the things have not gone according to the management's way or whatever it is, and learn to leave the business. Very important. Learn to leave the business when the reality changes. Okay, so that's that, guys.